All right, guys, in the first video of today, we were doing a lot of taking 10 out of a two-digit number and then subtracting that little minuend from this number. So if I had something like this, for example, I would show that out of 13, I can make 10 and 3. 10 minus 5 is 5. There's 3 left over, so my answer becomes 8. We're going to do that same thing now, but with even bigger numbers. But the rule is always take out the 10. Always take out the 10. So what is the rule? That's right. We're always going to take out the 10. So even if I have a number like 43 minus 5, I'm going to always take out the 10 right here. So if I build 43, 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, I can take out the 10 here. And then I know left over, I still have 33. Now I can do the same thing I already know how to do from earlier by taking 5 away from 10 and getting 5. And then having 33 left. 33 plus 5. And I know 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 makes 38. Look at the similarities. 13 minus 5 is the same as 8. 43 minus 5 is the same as 38. I had my digit 3 in the ones place here and my digit 3 in the ones place here. Let's do another one, and I'm going to clean this up so that you can see really clearly. We had 13 minus 5 equals 8. And then we had 43 minus 5 equals 8. Let's see if it keeps on working. So I'm going to do, this time, 63 minus 5. Oops, sorry, this one I meant to say 38. 63 minus 5. So what's my first step? I'm going to take out my 10. I know 10 less than 63 is the same as 53. 10 minus 5 is 5. And then I have to add my 53 that I have here. And then I get 58. Look at what's in common, that ones place right there. And the reason why that ones place is the same, the digit is 8 in the ones place, the digit is 8 in the ones place, the digit is 8 in the ones place, is because this digit here is the same. The ones place is 3, taking away 5, 3 ones taking away 5, 3 ones taking away 5. But the tens changes because of what's happening in the tens place. So on your work right now, it's going to look the same as it did before, like 63 minus 5 equals blank. And the 10 is going to go here, but this is going to have to change because it's not just 3 or 4 for the number 14, for example. But instead, I'm taking 10 away from 63, so I have to find the remainder of that. So it's getting a little bit harder, and if you need to draw it out, you need to draw it, oh, 63, let's check it out. If I take away a 10, what do I have left? If you need to draw that out, that's completely fine. And then you could just write it in on your work. And then you would show 10 minus 5 is 5 plus 53, counting on, and you get 58.